My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Soma and Angel don stylishly settle their lovers quarrel, and some shippers they are so happy about it. And also Phyna don publicly come out again for the second time to come call out her family over the money wey be say she give them. So Phyna win the Big Brother Naija level up season. When she come outside, according to wetin she talk, she say she buy SUV car for her papa, and later, months later, the man come out come call her out for Vanguard newspaper say Phyna, after she win the money finish, she carry the money escape, she no give her family member anything. Dat period, Phyna come out come call out her family too, to say they no do anything for her, one thing wey be say her fans wey dey call Phoenician come dey insult her papa up and down. So this time around, the news wey be say we dey hear, e dey somehow, but I go first of all read wetin Phyna talk before I go tell una the story wetin really sup between her and her mama and papa. So early hours of today, Phyna go for her Snapchat go write something where she dey lament about her family. So she first come say wickedness everywhere, heartlessness everywhere. Sometimes person go just dey question himself. I hope I don't kpai young, because as e stands now, most times family is not everything. F it, come put heart emoji wey break. So she dey try to dey tell us something about her family, say family is not everything at times. So she come still come again come say most times when we fight battles, we fight to the end, but when the battle is an internal one, you just don't know where to start from. As in her family will not be the internal battle right now. Come say it begins to consume you both physically, spiritually, financially, and emotionally. Honestly, this time I'm drained. Jeez, come put emoji wey be say dey throw up. So the thing wey be say, the story wey be say we dey hear for street, they say Phyna give her family 10 million naira to take start a business. Just be like a family business, so that they go stop to the disturb her, so that they go use am as they make earnings from the business, they go use am dey take care of themselves. Imagine giving somebody 10 million naira to take start business for this hard economy, and they come later they tell you story. So as we all know, Phyna na be the breadwinner for the family. Now she dey carry all of them problem for her head. Now she dey take care of them for wetin we dey hear for the street. That's why she gave them the money, say make una use am, so that at least me I go take a breather. Because there was a tweet where we say she post few hours ago, where we say she talk say since nursery school now she don dey hustle. She just dey talk am, she just dey lament about am. Before this morning, we come dey see this her tweet where we say she dey tweet. So after she give them the 10 million make dem start the business, they come start the business. E come turn out say the business no come work out. They misuse am, rough handle the business. I don't know wetin they do the business, so they come go sell the business for a mere 3 million naira, which means there was no gain. You sell the business for a mere 3 million naira out of 10 million naira wey say give me to start business. Instead of you to do what you dey do, the family sell am come for a mere 3 million naira. And so the thing come vex her. That make she dey call them out. So the thing wey be say dey vex me for this Phyna matter right now, na the fact say she come for public to come table this her family matter, where be say some people can't get the need to dey insult her papa, they insult her mama, they insult her family. I no go support that type of thing. No matter how bad a family is to you, I just think say coming out to the public for validation all the time not be the best way to go about. And there is nobody in this life that go tell me to say family dey 100% perfect. There's nobody. So many people get dysfunctional family, but you not see them coming out calling them out like this. If people tell you what is for their own family, you go shock. You see say your own Phyna even small. Make we see fans reaction after this her outburst. So the first person I can say, now only you they fight multi-choice, only you they fight social media, only you family members. It's not always about you, Phyna. Rest. That person can say, so Phyna has taken it upon herself to chase clout on social media every 2 Eke market days. That one can say, why is she always fighting her family members online? Phyna might actually be going through a lot too, because with the way she dey behave, e not really dey normal. We dey laugh, everybody, her fans dey cheer up, so make she continue to do wetin she dey do. But if you check am well, it's not really normal. If Phyna no a person wey say dey take advice from wetin we don see so far, if they talk, she go dey talk to say she know everything. She go dey run her mouth. So there's no hope. Nobody can talk to her. Just few days ago, she was fighting multi-choice for her prize, Phyna, you cannot fight everybody at once, you cannot fight everything at once. Deal with the one wey be say you fit deal with. The thing go drain you. Carrying all this problem for your head like this, e go dey draining. Try to seek help from people. Dey learn, talk to the right people, make dem dey tell you say this thing na so you go take do am, this thing na so you go take do am. Sometimes that na be the only thing wey be say you just need to do. Find the right people to talk to, instead of coming online all the time to seek validation from people wey be say wey no even like you. Dey talk am, that girl might be going through a lot mentally, wey be say she no fit even talk, a lot behind closed doors. But with the way she dey always do gra gra, dey do gbabati, nobody go wan even feel say she dey go through anything. I just hope say God comes through for her, because this her attitude is getting out of hand. As for her family issues, me, I no dey put mouth for anybody family matter. Phyna go need to carry the thing go give her elders. They suppose get elders for the family, wey be say she go fit tell talk say, see wetin dey go on, see wetin my papa do me wey I no like, see wetin my family do me. Take this matter to your head elders for una family, not be for social media na dey settle family matter. Hope she go wise up eventually. So onto Somjie matter, as we all know, Somjie and Somjie, they don break up, and but two of them still dey share their cat. The cat, na co-parenting na dey call that one na for Igbo language. Angel go carry the cat today, Soma go carry am tomorrow. I don't forget the cat name. So today we come see Soma for Angel comment section. In the comment, Angel write something, Soma come comment on that, come say, abeg, why am I still seeing your post? I thought I blocked you. Some shippers come dey appeal say, so una two just dey use us dey joke since, all those type of thing. Well, immediately I see two of them say they do co-parenting for that cat wey be say they buy, I just know say they never even ready to even leave each other. Those people just dey use us the cash cruise online, and me sef, I not send them anymore. If they like me, they come back. If they not like me, they not come back. Me, I go dey wish them well from a distance. Una take care, una bye.